In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily clean your coated garage floor. Doesn't matter if it's polyurea, or just painted. My method is quick, easy, will not damage your floor. To follow along, we're going to go step by step. My garage is 22 by 24. We should have it completely cleaned in under an hour. See what the winter has done. We got some oil stains from changing the car engine oil. We have some salt stains, lots of leaves, a little bit of dirt over there. I think that was left over from my snow shovel. So let's go ahead and get started. Now the very first thing you're going to want to do is get everything off your garage floor. Whether it's yard tools, your lawnmower, whatever's in your garage, you want to get it all picked up and out of the way. Second thing you want to do, it's easiest to use a leaf blower. Whether it's cordless or corded, doesn't really matter. Start at the back of the garage and just leaf blow everything right out the garage door. Next thing I do is I vacuum my whole garage floor with this old vacuum cleaner. This cleaner is about 20 years old. I basically use it for when I do remodeling projects. I vacuum up, dirt, dust, drywall dust, whatever, and I use it for vacuuming my garage floor. I just keep it down in the basement, and that's all I use it for. If you don't have something like this, you can find an old vacuum on Marketplace for probably 20, 30 bucks. It's going to save yourself a lot of time. We're going to go ahead and get this vacuumed up. Now that we've got the floor completely cleaned, it's time to lay down our soap. Now Simple Green is a non-toxic biodegradable soap. If you spill it in your grass, if you dump some on flowers, it's not going to kill it. It's also not going to harm any type of painted or coated floor. This is very safe and it does work extremely well. I mix it 50-50 with hot water. So I put about half a gallon into my spray bottle and I'm going to go into the kitchen, turn on the hot water, fill it up the rest of the way with hot water. And the easiest way I found to lay down your soap is use one of these pump sprayers. Now this is a battery powered sprayer, but you can go to Home Depot or Menards, Lowe's, and get a 1.5 gallon pump sprayer. You just got to pump it, just like the old fashioned style, for like 10-15 bucks. And it lays down a nice even pattern of your soap. So let's go ahead and do that first. I'm going to go ahead and do half of the garage and then clean up the soap, and then I'll do the other half of the garage. So I'm just going to lay down an even coat of this soap solution with my sprayer. Got a good even coat of this Simple Green solution down on your garage floor. I like to let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now, if your garage floor is really, really dirty, maybe you haven't done it for a long time, or maybe you live in an environment where maybe you drive on a gravel road or a dirt road and your floor is extremely dirty, this is a time where you're going to want to get like a push broom and just kind of push the soap around and work it into the surface of your garage floor. Mine's not that dirty, so I'm just going to let it sit, do its thing. The soap is going to raise the dirt up off the floor and allow me to suck it up with a steam cleaner. Wondering how are we going to get this soapy solution off the floor? A carpet steam cleaner. Now I did buy this one used. You can as well. Just go on Marketplace and find someone selling steam cleaners. You can get one for 40-50 bucks and you pretty much only use it for your garage floor. You don't have to squeegee it out. You don't have to put a bunch of fans on your floor to dry it out. You don't have to worry about someone slipping. This is going to scrub and suck up all that soapy water. Your floor is going to be dry in about an hour. This is what works the best. I've had this coated garage floor for 7 years. Tried all different kinds of ways. And this is the best way. So we're going to turn it on. We're going to spray down some water with this. It's going to suck it up. I got scrubbers going on here. It's going to clean the garage floor really nice. And after about 1 hour, I have this garage floor completely clean and ready to go for the summer. Now congratulate yourself on a job well done. Your garage floor probably looks amazing. Like I said, I've had this floor for 7 years. I've tried all different kinds of ways to clean it, from crawling around on my hands and knees with scrub brushes to this final version of using the sprayer, the vacuum cleaner, and the power scrubber / steam cleaner. It works great, it's quick. I can do it again maybe late summer if it starts to get a little dirty in here. Like I said, in another hour, I'd be done. Beats the heck out of scrubbing it on your hands and knees. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.